Hello dear students, now today here I am going to perform an experiment with my kitchen as a lab. Yes, my kitchen as a lab. As you know that turmeric is in our kitchen. We use it for flavoring different substances, different food items. So that, as we know, that is a natural indicator, that is an acid base indicator. So I'll be using that turmeric for testing the nature of the substances. Okay, so let us begin. Now as you can see that here I have taken turmeric paste, and the turmeric strips are here. So for preparing this turmeric paste, what I have to do is I have to take some turmeric in a bowl, and then I have to add some water to it, and then I'll just have to mix it. So by this a turmeric paste will be prepared. I'll just add some water to it. Okay, so a paste will be prepared by this. Now to make these turmeric strips, what I have done is I have taken a paper. Okay, I'll just take a paper here like this, and with the help of a brush I'll apply this turmeric paste. Okay, I'll just add some water to it, and then I'll mix it, and with the help of this brush I'm going to apply this paste on this paper like this. Then what I'll do is I'll just keep this strip, I'll let it dry here and for some time, and then I'll just cut this paper with the help of scissors, and then the strips like these will be prepared. So these strips can be used to test the substances. Now let me test the substances like soap solution and sugar solution, what is their effect on this turmeric paste. Okay, so for that I'll just take a dropper, and with the help of this dropper I'll just take this soap solution. Okay, and in one of the paper strips I'll just put a few drops of this soap solution. So as you can see that this soap solution, this turmeric paste is turning into red. Okay, and when does it turns into red? When a basic solution is added to it. Okay, so this means the color change over here, the color change from yellow to red, it means that this soap solution is what? It is basic. Okay, so I'll just wash my dropper with water, and then this is sugar solution. Again I'm going to test this sugar solution and few drops of this sugar solution over this turmeric strip. Now in this case there is no color change. Okay, so this is what, because in neutral substances and in acidic medium there is no color change in this turmeric paste or in turmeric. Okay, so this is a neutral solution, and then I'm going to test with some acid. Now let me check what happens when this vinegar it is added to this turmeric paste. Now let me take it out. Okay, I have taken some drops of vinegar, and then I'll just put it in this. So in this case also there is no color change. Okay, next I am going to take some salt solution. For this I have dissolved that salt into water, and then this salt solution is also added to it. So in this case also you can find that there is no color change. Okay, so this turmeric it will show no color change or no effect when neutral solutions or when some acidic solutions are added to it. Okay, so this was all for today. I hope you have understood well with this video that the turmeric indicator can be used to detect only the basic substances. Okay, whereas in acidic and neutral substances it will not show any color change. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.